Today, I'm going to show you how to create a full system image backup in Windows 11. A system image backup is one of the best ways to protect your computer because it creates a complete backup of your Windows installation. It includes the Windows operating system, installed programs, system settings, drivers, and personnel files. Think of it like a snapshot of your entire computer. So if your PC crashes, gets corrupted, or Windows stops working, you can restore everything exactly the way it was. So give this video a thumbs up. Grab your PC, and let's get started. Before creating the backup, make sure you have a USB drive, external hard drive, or second drive with enough free storage space. I recommend using an external SSD or HDD for better safety. First, click on the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Now click on Backup and restore Windows 7 under System and Security. Even though it says Windows 7, this feature still works perfectly in Windows 11. On the left side, click Create a System Image. Windows will now search for backup devices. Choose where you want to save the backup. You can select an external hard drive, DVDs, or a network location. I'll choose my external drive. Then click Next. And you'll now see a summary of the backup size and selected drives. Windows will automatically select the required system drives. And you can also include additional drives if needed. Click Start Backup. Windows will now begin creating this system image backup. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on drive speed, amount of data, and PC performance. Just let it finish completely. After the backup is complete, Windows may ask if you want to create a system repair disk. If your PC has a DVD drive, you can create one. If not, don't worry. You can also use a Windows 11 bootable USB for recovery. Click No or Yes, depending on your setup. Our backup is created successfully. And if you go to your backup location, here you will find your backup file. Now, let's see if anything goes wrong with your PC and you want to restore your backup. First, right-click on the Windows icon and open Settings. From the left-hand side menu, click on Windows Update. Then scroll down a little and open Advanced Options. After that, scroll down again and click on Recovery. Here, you'll see an option called Advanced Startup. Simply click on Restart Now, and Windows will directly open the recovery environment for you. And if your system is completely stuck on a blue screen, or Windows is not booting at all, there's another method. Turn on your computer, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button to force shut it down. Repeat this process around 3 times. After that, Windows will automatically launch the recovery environment. Once you are on this screen, click on Troubleshoot. Then go to Advanced Options. Here you'll find an option called See More Recovery Options. Click on it and then select System Image Recovery. Now, Windows will show the backup image you created earlier, along with the date and time. If you have multiple backups, they'll all appear here. Simply select the backup you want to restore, click Next, then click Next again, and the restoration process will start. Your PC may restart during the process, and it can take a few minutes depending on the size of the backup. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss upcoming tech videos like this.